Hello, what's up YouTube? Gio here. Just wanted to do a quick video of this dryer that I just repaired. I did a video on it last week. Go back and watch it if you haven't seen it as yet. You could see the before video of this dryer unit here. So as you could see, it's really nice and clean. I done replaced the motor pulley assembly, changed the rollers, got a new Ethan element assembly in there, and I have a new belt put in on the unit, and I vacuum and clean the whole thing out. Take a look at some of the old part. You could see the old Ethan element assembly here. Look at this shredded motor pulley. And we have the drum support rollers. And got the new belt on. Look how this thing just got seized up here. This is the support roller shaft. Just got seized up on here. So I had to change the shaft and everything on this one. Alright, thank you guys for tuning in. Hit up that like, share, and subscribe button. Gio out.